Good morning, I am Pushpalata. I would like to discuss about the objects in JavaScript. Objects are composed of attributes. If an attribute contains a function, it is considered to be a method of the object. Otherwise, the attribute is considered as property. Object properties can be any of the three primitive data types or any of the abstract data types, such as another object. Object properties are usually variables that are used internally in the object methods, but can also be globally visible variables that are used throughout the pages. Methods are the functions that let the object do something or let something be done to it. There is a small difference between a function and a method. A function is a standalone unit of statements, and a method is attached to an object and can be referenced by this keyword. Methods are useful for everything from displaying the contents of the object to the screen to performing complex mathematical operations on a group of local properties and parameters. For example, showing that the right method of the document object to write any content on the document. So document dot write, this is the test. Here this is the test is the able to displayed on the document. Next, user defined object. All user defined objects and built-in objects are descendants of an object called object. The new operator is used to create an instance of an object. To create an object, the new operator is followed by the constructor method. For example, where employee is equal to new object, where books is equal to new array of C++, Perl and Java. And the third variable day is equal to new date of that date August 15, 1947. These are the examples that I was inserted in the one method and assigned it to objects, books, day and employee are the three objects that I was created by using the new operator. Next slide. The object or with constructor. A constructor is a function that creates and initializes an object. JavaScript provides a special constructor function called object to build the object. The return value of the object constructor is assigned to a variable. The variable contains a reference to the new object. The properties assigned to the objects are not variables and are not defined with the var keyword. Next, JavaScript native objects have several built-in or native objects. Several built-in objects are native objects. These objects are accessible anywhere in your program and will work the same way in any browser running in any operating system.